Good morning. Welcome to your 10 a.m. daily weather briefing. We have some very nice conditions across the region this morning, seeing mostly sunny to clear skies across the area, seeing temperatures overnight into the 60s, so some nice comfortable conditions this morning. Going to see temperatures rise today into the lower to mid 80s, so should see a little bit warmer conditions as we saw those temperatures cool down last night. But overall, no chance of precipitation or lightning today, and lower humidity values across regions. So a really pleasant Tuesday for early September. Looking at our sounding from this morning, freezing level at 14,800 feet, winds out of the northwest to westerly component throughout the column this morning, seeing fairly light winds anywhere from about 10 knots to 20 knots from 1,000, 9,000 feet, then increasing up to 20 to 25 knots above that, and seeing a northwest wind at 26 knots, 25,000 feet this morning. Taking a look at our current surface analysis, we do have high pressure in control, some weak boundaries across the region, not going to produce any precipitation or really any difference in our weather today as this high pressure is established across the region. We'll see that high move off the coast and then a cold front start to approach for tomorrow and then move through tomorrow night into Thursday morning. So taking a look at our current satellite imagery, you can see the clear skies across the region, really nice weather in store, and taking a look at the European model for the next few days. Here's Wednesday. High pressure moves off the coast, seeing slight chances of some pop-up storms tomorrow, but most likely we'll see our best chance of rainfall for Wednesday night into Thursday morning, with a line of showers and thunderstorms starting to approach the region and move through during the overnight hours of Wednesday into Thursday. And that'll give us a chance of some thunderstorms as well as a good chance of rainfall over the area. Some of that could be heavy at times and could see some stronger storms embedded in that line of thunderstorms moving through. We do have a better wind field across the region in the upper levels that could give us a few stronger storms. Overall, though, that system should move out for Thursday afternoon into Thursday evening, and only seeing some lingering rain showers Thursday morning, possibility of a thunderstorm as well. But overall, the activity really should clear out through the region by Thursday afternoon into the evening hours. And moving to Friday, looks like some really nice weather across the region. Once again, high pressure from Canada builds in, seeing temperatures in the upper 70s to lower 80s, low humidity values. And then for Saturday, for our possible hot shot launch, seeing very nice conditions. Once again, high pressure in control, really no weather to be concerned about other than just some beautiful conditions across the region. And continue on to Sunday, much the same. Seeing that area high pressure move off the coast a bit more, so seeing more warmer conditions for Sunday into Monday of next week, but remaining dry across the region. So taking a look at our risk chart for today, a high of 84 degrees, expected south winds 8 to 13 knots, gusting to 17 knots, so slightly breezy this afternoon with that sea breeze coming on shore, and then a low of 69 tonight with south winds at 5 to 10 knots. Looking at our 24-hour terminal forecast, going to see VFR conditions today. Clear skies this morning. Should see a little bit of cumulus cloud development this afternoon between 4,000 and 6,000 feet. But other than that, going to see mostly sunny skies. And tomorrow morning, we'll see mostly sunny skies with just some cirrus clouds in the upper levels around 25 to 30,000 feet. Our tides are currently normal. And looking at Wednesday and Thursday, Wednesday partly cloudy and breezy, slight chance of late afternoon shower and thunderstorm, high of 83 degrees. Looking like those chances are going to be about 20 to 25% until 8 p.m. or when this forecast time period ends here. And then after that, the chances of showers and thunderstorms will pick up. And looking at that Wednesday night forecast, a low of 71 with overcast, mostly cloudy skies, good chance of showers and thunderstorms. And then for Thursday, cloudy, chance of showers and thunderstorms, mainly during the morning hours. And we'll continue to see that chance of a shower early afternoon, and then we'll see clearing or decreasing cloudiness for the late afternoon with a high of 78 degrees. Looks like our best chance of rainfall is going to be this Wednesday night time period with the front moving through. Going to see some, as I mentioned, lines of thunderstorms moving through the region during that time period. So could see our best chance of rainfall the next 7 days here at Wednesday night. Looking at the next 7 days, as I mentioned, best chance of rainfall during that time period during the Wednesday night hours into Thursday morning. Temperatures in the lower 80s to mid 80s the next 2 days, and then seeing those cooler and very pleasant conditions from Thursday through Saturday's temperature-wise, and seeing temperatures near 80 degrees for both Friday and Saturday, then seeing a warming trend for the beginning of next week with a high of 87 degrees on Monday. taking a quick look at Hurricane Larry. It is over the open waters of the Atlantic currently. Here's the hurricane's center track. You can see it's moving northwest currently at 10 miles an hour. Category 3 hurricane, 120 miles an hour. Sustained winds, and it will continue to move off the northwest and then track east of Bermuda. It does have a fairly large wind field, could see some breezy conditions at Bermuda. And here is the infrared satellite imagery. You can see Larry having a fairly large eye and a fairly large storm in general, moving to the northwest this morning. And taking a look at the hurricane tracks, you can see very nicely clustered and moving east of Bermuda, and then quickly off to the northeast thereafter. Looks like if it does give any showers or squalls to Bermuda, it'll be within 48 hours is the closest track towards Bermuda. So looking like Thursday would be the day that Bermuda does see some squally weather from this system. But overall, we won't see much here at Wallops from that system other than some higher than normal wave activity across the region for later into this week with some rip current risk. But other than that, looking like continued nice conditions. I've mentioned the next 7 days, only that chance of rainfall for Wednesday into Thursday. That's going to complete our 10 a.m. weather briefing. I hope everybody has a great day. We'll be back tomorrow morning at 8:15 and 10 a.m.